so high. Hold on. Okay. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Santa Cruz, and I'm gonna be showing you how to get this Christmas light makeup look. To be frank with y'all, to cut to the chase, this was my first time doing it, so I was really struggling, but in the end it kind of worked out, I guess. In the video, y'all are really gonna see me struggle like to do this, but yeah, if you want to see how I got this, or if you want to see me struggle to get this, just keep on watching and let's get started. Rocking around the Christmas tree. So I'm supposed to be studying right now for finals, but I'm not going to because I'm stupid. Anyways, the lighting in here sucks and I'm so sorry, but like this is all I could get because I don't have fancy equipment. So yeah. Okay, so to start this Christmas light makeup tutorial off, you're gonna take your Anastasia Modern Renaissance, and I'm just gonna be doing a super easy crease because we're just gonna do a cut crease, but I want more emphasis. Oh, sorry, the lighting was weird. But I want more emphasis on the Christmas lights. I don't want like a crazy cut crease. I feel like it'll kind of distract from the point that you have Christmas lights on your freaking eye. But honestly, I don't know how that could, I don't know what I'm talking about, but basically you are gonna try to put burnt orange in your crease, because in the end we're just gonna cut the crease out and then we're gonna put our Christmas lights just like that. And I'm taking it on my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just gonna slightly build up my crease. I'm gonna do one eye first and then I'm gonna do the left one because I don't want to keep switching back and forth, and I feel like that's just gonna make the video longer. And then you put raw sienna in your crease. So then the fun part is coming, okay? So now we're just gonna cut the crease out with this Morphe M124 brush. It's kind of like flat. Yeah, so it's perfect for cutting creases. And I'm just gonna use the concealer that I use for my eyebrows and cut my crease. And on the cut crease is where we're gonna be putting our Christmas tree lights, basically. And now that I outlined kind of my cut crease, you guys can barely see it. So I'm gonna take a lighter concealer that's just a little bit more watery than the last concealer that I used, because for cut creases I like more water concealers. It's just easier to work with, if that makes sense. So when you're done with your cut crease like that, you're gonna want to basically pack on like a super white color, or this is just what I like. You can put like glitter or whatever, but I like putting like a super white color because I want to put emphasis on the Christmas lights. So after that, after defining it all, we're gonna move on to doing the Christmas lights. And let me tell y'all something. I've never ever done this. Like, I'm just going out on a whim, and I literally bought all the products yesterday, but I believe in us. I believe in me. So let's do this. So all the eyeliners that you're gonna need are from NYX, because they're kind of like the only brand, or well, the only brand I know of to come out with like colorful eyeliners that are budget friendly. So yeah. And for me, I don't really buy expensive makeup because I'm a broke college student. But yeah, all of these eyeliners are $7. I forgot the price of the matte eyeliner that NYX has that I'm gonna be using, but I'm pretty sure it can't be over like, I guess, 10 bucks. I went to the store yesterday, like the actual NYX store, like it wasn't Target or anything. I'm not sure if they sell these at Target, but I know they sell like the NYX Matte Made eyeliner at Target. It's called. No, it's not called Matte Made. My bad. These were under 10 bucks and they were 7 bucks, and that's a really good deal for colorful eyeliners. I heard some of these crumble, so I tried getting the ones that I heard that don't crumble, but we'll see today. We'll see. So yeah, and then I got this jumbo eye pencil by NYX in the shade Milk because it's white, and I wanted to get it so I can add little details to my lights. Like, you know how lights reflect, like the light bulbs, and they have that little thingy inside. Probably not making sense. I'm sorry. But yeah, I'll just show you guys a picture of it right here. I'll just show you a picture of what it's supposed to look like. I know some pictures or like some tutorials that girls have, they do like the squiggly one, but this is supposed to be easy as heck. I'm trying to make it easy as heck because I've never done it before either. So if y'all are watching and you've never done it before either, kudos to you, because I'm with you, sister or mister. I don't judge here. I'm just gonna be outlining my crease with this matte eyeliner by NYX. Like I said before, I just keep repeating myself. Oh my god, I'm nervous. Okay, I'm gonna try. Honestly, it's not that bad. It's not that bad, folks. We could have done way worse. Like, this mirror is like, here, I'm gonna put the mirror here. Oh, that's like my speaker, like, lights up. Well, it's not my speaker. Shout out to my friend Alan who gave me this. You're the sweetest. But yeah, it's like light. It's like just light. So, oh yeah, that's Alan right there. Anyways, I'm getting off, like, I'm like getting sidetracked. I'm gonna try to show y'all how to do the little light bulbs. So basically, you're just gonna try to make a little dot. So, you know when you're painting and you're trying to make a teardrop? You're basically just trying to make a teardrop on your eye. The analogy I was trying to say sounds so bad, but you're basically just trying to make a teardrop, a little teardrop with the brush they give you. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do one. Wish me luck. Okay, wait, I forgot to do eyeliner, so I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna do my wing eyeliner, and I'm gonna want them to connect. I don't know, it might look weird, but hopefully it doesn't. You know, I don't know what I'm even gonna call this. Yeah, it's gonna look like that. You're gonna be wondering why on earth would I want to do this makeup tutorial. Sis, I don't know. I created another one. If y'all can even see that. Can y'all even see that? I'm gonna get my blue one. And create another one. The blue one's okay. It's not the greatest, but we're gonna keep going because it's actually kind of getting fun. Now I'm gonna add some white to each little light bulb. I don't know if y'all can see that. I wish I had like a high HD quality camera so I can show y'all, but that's basically what it looks like. It's not bad. Yeah, now I'm gonna add little white stuff. I'm basically trying to like put the lights and the light bulbs this is really hard to explain. Shit. Yeah, basically like the picture I just showed you. Here it is again. There's a light bulb sheen, basically like the reflective sheen of a light bulb. I'm trying to mimic that. So yeah. So yeah, that's how it basically looks like. Disclaimer, I am by no means a makeup artist. I'm just trying something new, and honestly, this was my first time doing something, so yeah. So I'm gonna go do the other eye, and then I'm gonna show you all the final product. So yes, wish me luck. 30 minutes later, and honestly not bad for a beginner. I did it to that eye, as you can see. I look like a raccoon, but I kind of like it. I'm gonna be using these Morphe lashes. They're so cute. Like, they're like I don't know how me doing that was showing you guys how cute they were, but they're literally so cheap. They're, I think, 10 bucks. I'm gonna put these on. They're like so pretty. I'm basically just choosing an eyelash that doesn't cover my eye or isn't too big, because I want like in pictures, or like for you guys to see the eyeshadow still. And honestly, it's not bad. So now that we're done putting on the lashes, I'm gonna move on to doing my bottom eye. Oh my god, I can't even speak while I'm doing makeup. I'm gonna be doing my bottom eye eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna be taking the colors that I use in the crease, which is burnt orange and raw sienna, underneath. But I'm also taking a hint of red ochre, just to throw in like a pop of color. Honestly, I'm not taking this makeup tutorial really seriously. I'm just kind of doing it for fun, but yeah. Okay, now that we're done with that, I'm gonna be putting mascara on my bottom lashes, and then we're gonna move on to lips, and then we're gonna be officially done with this makeup tutorial. Yes. I'm just gonna take my MAC lip liner in Whirl. I chose a nude color for my lips because I kind of didn't want to draw any attention from my eye makeup, because, I mean, let's face it, this is a crazy eye look. I wouldn't wear this to the grocery store or like to the movies with my boyfriend, but like, I mean, if you want to, I'm not judging you, sis. Like, this was the eye look. Yes. She tried. She really tried. So yeah, this was the makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys really liked it. I really did try. Like, she tried so hard. I was struggling. Like, I was sweating in my hoodie. Like, if you guys liked my video or thought it was helpful in any way, just go like or comment or even subscribe to my channel to see more makeup looks in the future. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.